Student, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Here we are doing oxidizing and reducing agent. So here HNO2 acts as oxidant as well as reductant. Why? So HNO2 acts as oxidant because it can decrease its oxidation. It can lower down its oxidation state. It will fall down up to 3 or 0 or +2. So when its oxidation state is lower down, at that moment we will say that it is acting as a oxidant. And nitrogen is having this lowest oxidation state up to -3. Here I have written, and +5 oxidation. So lowest oxidation state of nitrogen in ammonia -3, and highest oxidation state of nitrogen in HNO3 is +5. Okay, how do I get it? Hydrogen is having +1, nitrogen I have written as it is, plus oxygen carrying -2 oxidation state, 3 times oxygen. So 3 into 2, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. -6 + 1 -5, it will go here. So nitrogen is having +5, and HNO2 is having just similar to that. It is having +3 oxidation state, and nitrogen here is having +5 oxidation state, and nitrogen here is having -3 oxidation state. So when oxidation state of nitrogen in HNO2 it is +3. When it will go to -3 oxidation state, means its oxidation state is decreased. So when its oxidation state is decreased, means it is acting as a oxidant, that is oxidizing agent. When it falls down, it is oxidant. When it increases its oxidation state to +5 oxidation state, so at that time it is acting as a reducing agent or reductant. Clear? When increases, reductant. When fall down, so oxidant. Oxidant means itself reduce, so it will oxidize others. For example, oxidizing agent we compare with as a compound with less oxidation state is formed. Here I told you less oxidation state is formed, so it will be acting as oxidant. It will itself it is reduced, so oxidize other species, so it is oxidizing agent. Is now because it why oxidizing agent? Because it accepts electron from others, so it provoke to others to oxidize. That is why it is oxidizing agent. Okay, and reducing agent, so it will donate electron, it will lose electron, so its oxidation number is increased up to +5. When its oxidation number is increased, so it means it is giving electron to others to, oh, you get reduced, I am giving you electron. Okay, so their other species, their oxidation state decrease. So at that moment we will say that it is acting as a reducing agent. When higher oxidation, it will nitrogen achieve higher oxidation state. Okay, so it is acting as oxidant as well as reductant. So here oxidant, here reductant. All the best. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.